Hello. You are watching Monmouth English Research Center. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. English Speaking Course, Day 4 Notes. Objective. Learn about verbs and tenses in simple sentences. Practice forming sentences in the present tense for daily conversation. Warm-up activity. Review Day 3. Ask a few students to say sentences about their daily routine. Example, I wake up at 7 a.m. I go to school. Understanding verbs. Explain what verbs are. Verbs are action words that show what someone is doing. Examples of common verbs: eat, run, play, write, speak, activity. Write 5 verbs on the board and ask students to form sentences. Example: verb, play. Sentence, I play football. Present tense basics. Explain the present tense. Used to talk about actions that happen regularly or facts. Structure. Subject plus verb, base form, plus object. Examples: I eat breakfast every day. She reads a book. We go to school. Note, add s or es to the verb if the subject is singular, he, she, it. Speaking practice with present tense. Ask students to describe their daily routine using the present tense. Example: I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth. I go to school at 8 a.m. Introducing negative sentences. Explain how to make negative sentences in the present tense. Subject plus do not slash does not plus verb, base form, plus object. Examples: I do not eat junk food. She does not play football. We do not watch TV every day. Conversation practice. Pair students and ask them to talk about their daily activities. Example: Student A, what do you do in the morning? Student B, I eat breakfast and go to school. Group activity, sentence relay. Divide the class into groups. Give each group a verb and ask them to form a sentence using it in the present tense. Homework. Write 5 positive and 5 negative sentences about your daily life. Positive: I eat fruits every day. She goes to the park. Negative: I do not drink soda. He does not play video games. End the class. Great job, everyone. Keep practicing your sentences. See you tomorrow. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Monmouth English Research Center. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.